Hi all, this is Param. Okay, this is last video with respect to the equal. Okay, event query language. Of course, the event query language purpose is mostly correlation. Okay, mostly correlation. We can check for sequence of order of event, something like that. Okay, so of course it has set of syntax, it has set of functions. All those things are explained in my previous videos. Okay. In this video, what I am going to do, one samples, okay, a sample demo, okay. So so what is here? We will identify the thread, okay, thread and security data. So what is the thread now? So first should be a creation process, okay. So in that, I'll show that demo. I explain here itself, so it will be very easy to understand. Okay, so for that I have done this as a demo, okay, in my cluster. So similarly, just to repeat the steps, you can get it. Okay, so obviously this is the file. Okay, you can download it. So okay, using this you can put it in the upload it into your data streams. Okay, by seeing this you will come to know how many documents are there. Okay, so once you upload this document, these are the steps. Okay, of course we are going to use the data streams. Okay, so by using this we are creating data streams and we are uploading the sample JSON document, and so it gets almost 150 document. Once that is ready, okay, so this is how we are going to check. Okay, so these are just samples they have talked. Okay, here is the exact use case. Okay, so this is our exact use case. Where is that? Okay, determines, okay, it is there or not. Okay, so whenever any of these sequence occurred, so what is now? So you just group the events by process ID. Okay, process ID. Then within that, your first document should be process name should be like this. Okay, and this, once this is on, the next document, the next document should be category library. Okay, library, and it should be like the DL name should be like this. Okay, third event should be any network calls. Okay, so if this sequence of order of events are there for the same process ID, okay, that's why by group ID. Okay, if it is same group ID, then that is our attack. Okay, so that is a thread. Okay, that is a thread. So you can see here that similar documents are read out. Okay, so this is what finding thread. So obviously this kind of finding thread is just is sample. Okay, so finding thread is mostly used for in the SIAM data. Okay, but what the thing I want to highlight here is, using the equal we can try or we can achieve our correlations. Okay, so since sequence of events we can look. So that is what beauty of equal event query language. Okay, I think I have completed about the equal. Thanks for watching.